Hey, it's Fred, the submarine guy, coming to you with a great idea for making $100 on every sale that you can start doing today. You're really going to like this, and there's more to it. Let me get started here. First of all, just think about what a $100 income would do for you, or two or three of them per day. I mean, you could use it for your advertising. That's probably the biggest thing that most people are doing. You could pay your bills. You could save for vacation. There's tons of things you could use that $100 for, especially when they start coming in multiple copies. So just, I mean, you can build your MLM on the back, that kind of thing, but start making good money on the front and you'll be a lot happier. Now, think about, can you put together a system to make a $100 sale? Most people cannot. And that's one of the problems that people have is they don't know how to put together something that they can sell for $100 until they study a lot and they think about, well, should I do coaching? Should I do a membership program? Should I sell to my email list? I mean, there's all these questions, but when you can get a pre-made sales page that's professionally done, that you don't even have to provide hosting or anything for, that's how you make the big commissions up front, and you can do it quickly because those are already done for you. Now, one of the things that is going around these days is a virus called PayPal shutdown. I just made that up. People are getting their PayPal accounts shut down or being set to limited use, which means you can't use it at all, for no reason. And it happened to me recently. I kept thinking, oh, that'll never happen to me. I'm not violating anything. Wrong-o, frog face. Everybody, almost everybody's PayPal account who's into online marketing, either affiliate sales or MLM or anything like that, is getting shut down. Even my wife, who just makes videos for local merchants and stuff, videos and graphics, and does their social media, hers got locked up and shut down as well. So we don't have a PayPal option, obviously, but we've got a set of solid pay processors, including Stripe, ORU, a couple of others that I wasn't familiar with. Stripe is the one I use. It's free. It's easy to set up. The money goes to your bank in 1 or 2 days. You'll love it. It's the way to go. So you'll be on a solid pay processor. And the best part of it all is there's 10 training modules in this product line. And this is where most folks fall down. They don't know how to drive traffic to their offers. So you're going to learn YouTube, social media marketing, LinkedIn. I don't even remember all the others. There's 10 of them in total. And all the training is for you. And you can also set up these training modules to resell on your own if you've already got like web hosting and autoresponder and that kind of thing. So it's a really powerful combination. So what I'd like you to do is check out the link below. Watch the entire video by Frank on the first page there and really listen to what he's got to say. I think you'll see you could be up and running in just a few minutes to start making $100 sales, and you'll learn how to advertise to make even more $100 sales. So it's all about getting set up fast, bringing in money fast, and making money, and that's what we all want to do. Thanks for listening. Like I said, check out the link below. Watch Frank's video and you'll see why I'm so excited about this.